Today, day 3 of the Sean Diddy Combs sex trafficking trial, jurors told to brace themselves as they'll soon see footage of the sex parties at the center of the case. The government's star witness, Combs' ex-girlfriend Cassie Ventura, is also back on the stand today. KTLA's Aaron Myers monitoring the trial from the newsroom. Aaron, good morning.
Good morning. Just as you said, singer Cassie Ventura was back on the stand this morning, though the court is now on its lunch break. The jury could be shown those graphic videos of Sean Diddy Combs' sex party at some point during Ventura's testimony today. The singer's husband has been in court, as have Combs' 3 sons. Yesterday, Ventura, who is 8 months pregnant, said that her relationship with Sean Combs became abusive and toxic over time, saying she was forced to participate in long sex parties called freak-offs, which sometimes lasted up to 4 days. During the parties, Ventura said she would perform sex acts with male escorts, while Combs often directed activities from the same room. Ventura says the freak-offs made her feel humiliated, but she participated because she wanted to make Combs happy, saying that she feared violence and blackmail if she refused, saying videos of the freak-offs were turned into blackmail materials and that Combs would threaten to leak them. As for the abuse, Ventura said she was left with knots on her forehead, busted lips, and bruises all over her body, saying Combs would drag, kick, and stomp her in the head if she was down.
The prosecution is presenting shock and awe evidence, really graphic and explicit details, such as using drugs until the point Cassie vomited, being urinated on, blood on the bed sheets. These are facts that jurors may say no human being could possibly consent to sexual activity like this.
This hotel video from 2016 shows Combs beating Ventura and dragging her down the hallway of the Intercontinental in Century City. The video has played a big role in this case. Ventura said the violent incident stemmed from her trying to leave a freak off before it was over. After the assault, Ventura said Combs came to her apartment and that she heard chaos outside her door. She also testified that a friend called police and that she did answer a few questions but did not want to say who assaulted her, saying she wanted to protect her ex. Ventura sued Combs in 2023, alleging years of abuse. He settled within hours, but dozens of similar lawsuits were filed and then criminal charges soon followed. The defense could get their turn to question Ventura as soon as today.
The defense strategy will be focused entirely on consent. And the argument is that Cassie stayed with Combs for more than a decade. She could have left but chose not to. They're going to argue that this wasn't rape. This is just regret and a bitter ex who has an axe to grind.
The prosecution claims Combs abused, threatened, and coerced women to participate in these freak-offs, but Combs' defense team says though he could be violent, all of the sexual acts were consensual. The 55-year-old has pleaded not guilty to sex trafficking, racketeering, and transportation to engage in prostitution. Today, Ventura also spoke about Combs attacking her in her apartment in 2013, saying she still has a permanent scar from that incident. The music mogul is facing at least 15 years and up to life in prison. In the newsroom, I'm Aaron Myers. Jessica, I'll send it back to you in the studio.
Okay, Aaron.